Hi, this is Ray, and I'm going to talk to you today about my experience with a government drug affordability review board. Sometimes they call these prescription drug affordability review boards, or PDABs. They've been going on in a number of states. There's one in Oregon, there's one in Colorado. They've been proposed in a lot of different states and are in various stages of happening. The one that has completed its drug affordability reviews is Colorado, and that's what I'm going to talk about today, because I was involved in submitting information on this one. So here's the first page of a report. It's a 219-page report about Cosentyx, which I take for my psoriatic arthritis. So what they were saying is this drug is unaffordable to patients. And they say that there is something called a WAC, which is a wholesale acquisition cost. And that's been covered up here, what that is. It's been redacted here by whatever this big figure is. What I will say is it's kind of a weird metric to use because nobody pays the WAC. Nobody pays this price. What happens is the PBM gets a heavy discount, usually about 50%. They deliberately conceal what the discount is, as you can see here, and the prices. It's a black box. But we know that it's probably about 50% rebate, 50% discount is what the insurer actually pays the manufacturer. And I actually, as a patient, don't need to pay anything either. So I have from the manufacturer a $0 copay card, and you can get these for any kind of drug. This is just the one that I'm on. But there are these big assistance programs for patients from all of these manufacturers of these very advanced and expensive drugs. But what I saw here with the Colorado PDAB is that they were reporting that the average out-of-pocket cost for patient annually was $2,801. And I want to tell you, zero for me, because I got this card. Anybody can get on and get this on the website, in a few minutes. So this felt very out of touch with what the actual patient experience is. And we looked at how many patients, if you read this full report, it says only 2 patients showed up to the meetings of this board. 15 patients, I was one of them, submitted comments online. And, it says that there's, something like 1,100 patients that are on this drug. And then there's probably about more than 4,300 who are on this class of medicines in Colorado. And, you're getting just a handful of people who are patients who are weighing in on this. And if you look at the surveys that they did, they were not designed for patients. They were asking if you had any delays in getting your medicine because of affordability, but they didn't ask if you had delays. What was the cause of those delays? Were you having delays because of your physician not prescribing it, or because of your insurer not covering it and wanting prior authorization? Because that's always been my experience, is that the delays come when you're dealing with the PBMs and the insurers. So we just think that the survey was horribly designed. Patients weren't included. And this is a problem we've seen all over the country with these PDABs and drug affordability reviews. And so that is something that you need to know about, I think. And that's my experience. I put my comments in to that effect. And hopefully more patients will speak up that these things will reflect the patient experience more accurately. I'd also like to add that AiArthritis has made a special survey that is more patient-focused. And if you wish, you can follow this QR code and you can take that survey. And this will hopefully be shared with policymakers and PDABs all over the country. And at the federal level, the folks who work on this at CMS and other government agencies. And this will help get the patient perspective into some of these policymaking decisions so that they'll be more reflective of the kind of help that patients actually need to get the medicine they need. Thank you.